question again?
Why the Allen key? Can't
The Allen
you
key?
just take the wrench and
Well, the trick
undo
is
it?
if you just start turning the wrench, then the stud could turn with it. Like, just go ahead, see what happens. See how it just all wants to turn? Yeah, okay.
Aha.
Uh-huh. Now you see this setup, because this spring's under load. Gary was just wondering if trajectory, whether we should move the TV or not. I don't know. Well, hopefully this holds up. Got a big project going on over here. Tires being changed. Brady's over there. Say hi, Brady. Got the compressor going. All right, let's get this up.
There's our problem. Everything's turning.
Exactly. Need a bigger Allen key to hang on to it?
Maybe so.
Oh, Chippy! Woo! Yeah! Chip brake. Bigger brake. Doing winter tire change, putting those on. He'll have to torque those wheels in a second. Over here, we've got a couple things going on. Strut, winter tires. Brady's. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You don't need those on now. He doesn't like the impact gun, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gary's over here doing strut.
We're stuck again.
You're stuck.
Where's your big?
Where's the big what? The the pipe.
Yeah.
It's in there. I think it was in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Gary.
Right back there.
Oh, it rolled in the back. It's a little trick that Kevin taught me.
When you're not strong enough, you increase your leverage, eh?
Yeah.
Now you're tightening instead of loosening. It's like a ketchup bottle. That way is right, tight,
Yeah.
righty tighty. This way,
I should be pulling up, right?
What do you do?
on pulling up what? No, that if you're pulling on the wrench here, that's making it go to the right. But if you push that way, then that's going to be moving this to the left. There you go. Yay!
Yay!
Zip-diddy-doo-dah, zip-diddy-yay.
Okay, stand by. You shouldn't be there, Kevin, just in case when this
Oh yeah,
comes
right. I
off.
don't want to be on this business end here.
Yes.
Any ladies are watching this, you can see Gary's available. He's handy, right? He's lefty loosey, righty tighty, available. Isn't that right, Brady?
Yeah, right.
All right, come back over here, stand over here. Get in the safe zone.
Yep, this is one
Fire
of those
them some
times
aside.
that we want to be in the safe zone. Just in case. That's what we're talking
There you
about.
go.
Bye.
New one's all in, reassembled. Gary's tightening up. Pretty safe now because it can't spring apart. It's already
Oh.
tightened on the end.
Oh, I,
So don't have to worry about
wait, wait.
hitting that new TV. Right, Brady? Brady,
All right.
where's your glasses? Where's your safety
yeah.
glasses? Oop. Don't poke yourself in the eyes with the safety glasses. That would be ironic. You got her, boys. Think you got her, boys. You got her? That's good. All right. All right, let's
uh-oh, what happened?
we'll do slip off.
No, you're not on the bolt
Oh.
anymore. Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thanks, Gary.
Sweet. Don't poop yourself. Liking that new torque wrench.
Nice.
Isn't that nice? Yeah. My buddy Luke Monk gave that to me. Beauty. Shout out to Lukey. Looks good. All on, all torqued up.
Oh, yeah.
All ready for the snow. Snow. Brady, let me see your shirt.
What? Are we your check? Yes, okay.
Nova Scotia. No snow. Not like we had in 2015. That was nasty. What's that right there?
Oh!
All right. Enough fooling around.
Hey,
Let's go
hey,
back.
Gary, look. Here they come, Gary.
Hey, let's go back to work.
Look, Gary, look.
Ta-da!
You got to spring things off. All right.
Bring things off.
All right.
Right there.
Peace out.
This.
Oh, the special tool.
The special tool. The special tool was hiding. It fell off.
Final project of the day. Gary's working on the cruise. The Batman wheels on it. The Batman winter wheels all geared up.
Batman.
Okay, enough of that. And we just changed the oil in this little turbo diesel 4-cylinder, and takes synthetic. But here's the trick: it needs to have this Dexrose 2 second generation. Ray's over there making lots of noise. What are you doing?
You've gone.
Slip and smack Gary the lips. Oh yeah!
Oh,
heard it
yeah.
I heard the click. Brady, what do we do after we have a big long day fixing cars? What do we do? What do you do? Donut. That's mine.
Okay.